Welcome back. This is a new video offered to you by the Custer Academy. My name is Luc de Custer and I'm founder of the Custer Academy. In this video, I'm going to talk about qualitative and quantitative data. Now, when we look at these elements, it's very important to understand the difference between qualitative and quantitative data. But before we start with this new video, I want to remind you to click on the subscribe button, click on the bell button, and every time we will have a new video, YouTube will inform you about it. But let's start now with qualitative and quantitative data. Qualitative and quantitative data. Qualitative data relate to data which have a logical scale that is applied. We're not looking at numbers, but basically what we have are indications like small, very small, medium, large, very large. We can look at baby, child, adolescent, young adult, adult, senior, and pensioner. So basically we're not talking about data that can be expressed using numbers. We are having a kind of qualitative definition of it. In certain other applications, for example in risk management, we can look at impact. Impact can be high, medium, severe, or low, and we can have a probability which is high, medium, and low, and we have to define what those qualitative parameters mean. And we have quantitative data. And here we have data that are characterized by a number. For example, when we look at the measurement, the sample or the data we took related to the cars on the highway, we could say these are the speeds. These are quantitative data. The speed of a car is a number. When we would use that as qualitative data, we could say that for a certain interval, the cars are considered to be slow, medium, high, or out of range. We can define those different categories, but here we're going to use the numbers. So we're really taking about the speed of the car. Other examples, what we can look at are the weight, the price, length, surface, volumes, and of course the example I already gave before, related to speed of the cars. Called time series and cross-sectional data. Time series relate to evolution of parameters over time. In business, time series are used to evaluate, for example, sales patterns. What has been done, what has been sold over time. So we're looking over a certain time and we want to see how are certain parameters evolving. Like I said, sales volumes over a week, month or year are typical examples. We can also look at people who get ill, certain illness over time, how does it evolve, what are the seasonal effects. Other element are what we call cross-sectional data. Here we're going to see what's happening in a specific point in time. So we take a specific point in time and we're looking at different categories. We can, for example, look at the income of people at a certain moment in time. We can look at certain other parameters that have, let's say, what is their value at a specific moment in time. We're not looking at the time evaluation, but we're taking a specific time and we want to know what are the parameters at this moment. So that's basically what I wanted to talk to you about, qualitative and quantitative data. This is the end of the video, but you know, I always have the same question. Do not forget to click on the subscribe button. Do not forget to click on the bell button so that every time you have a new video or we have a new video, YouTube will inform you about it. I thank you very much and I'm looking forward to seeing you in our next video. Bye bye.